Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stories of your friends not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve stories of your friends not showing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about messenger app and you click. When you find this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your phone. You will turn off your phone, you will wait a moment, and you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.